Hey, Scott Leonard, Gomioji Drones. Today we're going to be getting into SDI's UAS 201 Module 3 Videogrammetry. Let's do it. We're going to get started on the photogrammetry that we talked about in the intro, and I'm going to go ahead and place the drone and get started. All right, we're going to go ahead and get started with the grid. I'm going to press record. We're going to go ahead and start. We're going to make sure that we are up high enough so we don't hit the roof. And then we're going to go about 50 foot over that. So I'm going to go up to about 83 feet. Gimbal all the way down. And I'm going to go ahead and fly the mission. I put the orange cones out so I'd have a visual reference to know when to take my turns so that I would have plenty of overlap. I believe that covers it, and I'm going to go ahead and upload this video to SkyeBrowse, which will then work its magic and give me a 2D representation of the entire roof of the house. Let's go ahead and get into that. Okay, we've taken our video and we're going to go to SkyeBrowse.com and we are going to sign up for a free account if you don't have one already. It's simple enough. You put your email in, click the box, and register for a new account. I already have an account, so I'm going to click sign in, and I'm going to go ahead and log in to my free account. And here, I don't have any videos or any projects that are uploaded because this is the first time I'm actually using this website. So, to begin, we'll go ahead and go up in the upper left-hand corner. We will click upload video, and we will go to universal upload. We'll select that. And then on the bottom left, the video file. You can either drag and drop the file at this location or browse for it, which is what I chose to do. And upload. At this point, it takes, I don't know, a couple of minutes to upload. You can monitor the progress, bottom right hand corner. Once the video uploads, my video was short. It takes it approximately 5 minutes to process the video that I did. It was a short one. It was just the top of the roof of my home. And to view it, we click View Model right here, bottom center, and it populates the model, and you can see the 3D model here of the roof. Bird's eye view, you can flip the model vertically. And again, this is the first time I've used this website. And you can zoom in, zoom out. Top down. And that pretty much is the Videogrammetry product from SkyeBrowse, from the video I took overflying my home. There is also a 2D view that we can see here on the screen, which is a top-down, two-dimensional view of my home.
Well, I hope you guys liked today's episode, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and please comment if I got something wrong. All right, till next time.